This is Crystal Yancey. I'm a homeschool teacher with Granite Mountain Charter School. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why I teach and my educational philosophy. Inspiring young minds to learn and uncovering creativity that was unknown in themselves and helping to develop critical thinking skills are important to me. As a teacher, I want to foster a love of learning and enable students to set and reach their educational goals. I believe in flexibility, staying open-minded, and being positive. I want my students to feel safe and know that I am there to help them in exploring new interests. I have high expectations for my students. I want them to participate in themed, creative, or problem-solving projects. I hope to create a community of learners through an open-minded environment where students can engage and feel enthusiastic about learning, and they can teach others what they've learned. Reaching and relating the students is important to find their interests and help understand their needs. Using technology to keep the students captivated and helping them find their multiple intelligences within my roster of students. I like to be a coach instead of just teaching to the student, which allows more flexibility to meet their individual needs. Thank you.